Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm going to do an extended ponytail on my client. I actually washed, conditioned, and did a mask on her hair, and I trimmed her ends before the video. So whenever I do textured hair, I always do quadrants of 4 or 6 because it's really easy to manage when I'm blow drying it straight. She is a transitioning client, so she does have a few different textures in her hair. The ends is straighter, the roots are more thicker. So for this kind of hair, I kind of actually did like 4 quadrants. So I'm going to come in and out of the video here and there to let you guys know what products I'm using, what techniques I'm using. So right here I actually did the back, and I actually sped up the video for you guys as well. So right here I'm telling my client to pull back her ears because you know how it is when you want your edges to be laid and slicked back. You have to get in there with that hot comb, flat iron, whatever you have. And she didn't want to get burned, so I told her to make sure she holds her ears. But basically I go around the perimeter of the client's head because, like I said before, she is transitioning, so she has really thick curly roots, and I'm trying to avoid as much heat as possible. So I'm actually going through her roots right now. As you guys can tell, her edges are really thinned out because she was doing a lot of box braids, a lot of wigs, glue-ins to avoid like putting heat in her hair, so kind of ate out her edges. So with that, that's going to be normal. I can't really fix any part of that, but the rest of her hair is going to be done with a hot comb around the perimeter, and then the rest of her hair itself is going to be done with an actual flat iron.
Chanel, Saint Laurent, Gucci bag, lifestyle.